7 games. They were down 3-2 in that series as well. So listen, I do not believe the Nuggets can gain control of the series with a win tonight. However, and this will shock, I think, everyone on the panel. Here we go. I am willing to say this. If the Lakers lose tonight, now I do not believe they will. I think they will win tonight. But if they lose tonight, tomorrow morning, Jenna will.
Hey Siri, turn on the smart light.
I'm on it. Okay. Done.
Hey Siri, turn off the smart light.
Okay. Done.
Hello world, this is Coco Martech, and today we are going to review this smart bulb or smart light by SimpliFi PH. In my previous video, ni-review natin itong smart plug by SimpliFi PH, and if you want to watch that review video, you can do so by clicking on the card dito sa upper left or right. Hindi ko matandaan kung alin dyan. Pero ilalagay ko rin yung link niya sa description box down below. And if you want to avail a 10% discount, all you have to do is go to their website, simplify.ph, and use my promo code COCOMARTECH. So, wag na natin patagalin pa, and let's review the smart light by SimpliFi PH. Again, this is Coco Martech, and welcome to another episode of
TT with Coco Martech.
Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ang smart light ay isang light bulb na pwede mo kontrolin with your phone through the Wi-Fi. Meaning, pwede nyo i-on or off yung light bulb na to using your phone. And pwede natin makontrol itong smart light na to and yung mga products by SimpliFi PH by using the app Smart Life. And itong Smart Life na to, it's applicable or pwede nyo gamitin to with your Android or iOS device. So bago natin simulan na pag-setup, ang tanong is, para saan ba tong Smart Light na to at bakit kailangan nyo na tong Smart Light na to? Well, maraming reason, and personally, matagal na akong gumagamit ng Smart Light, mga ilang taon na rin, mga 3 years na akong gumagamit ng Smart Lights. And simula nung nakagamit na ako ng Smart Light, hindi na ako bumalik sa conventional na light bulbs. Bakit? Kasi malaking tulong to sa isang tulad ko na merong gout and rayuma. Yes, meron na akong gout at rayuma at walang nakakatawa doon, wag niyo akong tatawanan. May mga times kasi na sobrang lala nung gout ko na hindi talaga ako makatapak sa floor, hindi mo ako makatayo. Minsan may nakatabi ng bote sa akin, doon ako iihi. Kasi hindi ako makapunta sa CR. Kaya sobrang helpful ng ilaw, ng smart lights para makontrol ko with my phone yung pag-on and off ng ilaw. At hindi lang doon, pwede mo rin makontrol yung kulay ng ilaw with this smart light. So kung gusto nyong blue, pwede rin. Kung gusto nyong red, pwede rin. Kung gusto nyong green, pwede rin. For example, meron kayong date ng partner nyo, di ba? Pwede nyo iset yung mood kapag nagne-Netflix and chill and alam nyo na. Gamit ng smart light din, pwede nyo rin ipalitan yung color temperature. So pwede nyo gawing cool yung ilaw or warm. Depende again sa mood nyo. Ang smart light pala na to is itong LED light bulb na merong 8 watts. Para saan pa ba? Ano pa? For example, meron kayong lakad and nasa labas pa kayo, hindi nyo in-expect na sobrang matatagalan yung meeting nyo or lakad nyo with friends. And ayaw nyong maiwan na walang ilaw yung bahay nyo kasi alam nyo na may mga magnanakaw na pag nakitang walang ilaw, Gora bells na sila, titirahin na kagad yung bahay nyo kasi isipin na walang tao. Kaya kung meron kay smart light, you can control your light bulbs or your smart lights with your phone kahit sa malayong lugar kayo. So for example, nasa Mega Mall pa kayo, gusto nyo buksan yung ilaw, pwede nyo gawin yon with the Smart Life app and the Smart Light by SimpliFi PH. Or for example, nakalimutan nyo lang sarado yung ilaw nyo, pwede kayo mag-conserve ng electricity or energy by closing the lights or turning off the lights with your Smart Life app and your smartphone. So, diba, sobrang convenient nito. And of course, yung intro natin na kapag takot kayo lumabas, pwede nyo buksan yung ilaw in advance para hindi na kayo matakot pag lumalabas kayo. Kunwari, si CR nga kayo. Kung may naisip pa kayong reason bakit maganda tong Smart Light, comment down below para makita natin yung pinakamagandang reason bakit maganda magkaroon ng Smart Light. Pero personally, ang pinaka-reason na parati kong ginagamit bakit natutuwa ako sa Smart Light na to is yung mga panahon na sobrang tamad na tamad akong tumayo or bumangon galing sa kama ko. Alam ko naranasan nyo na rin yun. May mga panahon talaga na ayaw na nating tumayo para i-on or off yung switch ng ating mga ilaw. Kaya convenient talaga tong Smart Light na to. To download the Smart Life app, so again, pwede to for iOS and Android device. So, ito yung merong logo na may bahay and Wi-Fi signal. So, next, kapag na-download nyo na yun, all you have to do is create an account and then log in your account details there. And then, para ma-pair natin yung ating Smart Light, of course, dapat isaksak nyo yung Smart Light sa saksakan, kung sa lamp man yan o sa sa ceiling. And then, sa home screen ng ating app, meron tayong plus button sa upper right or meron tayong add device dito na button. Next is to go to the lighting dito sa left part and then click on the lighting Wi-Fi. And then input nyo lang yung Wi-Fi details nyo. So kailangan kasi mabilis na nagbe-blink yung ilaw natin para malaman natin if na ready for pairing nating Smart Light. So para magawa natin yon, all we have to do is on, off, on, off, on. Yan. Magbiblink na siyang gantong kabilis. Dapat ganito kabilis yung blinking niya. If not, try nyo lang ulit yung on, off, on, off, on. Confirm natin yung rapidly blink. Then next, and then automatically nang hahanapin ni Smart Life app yung ating Smart Light. So, hintayin nyo lang. Yan. So, kita natin dito na nag-register na on the cloud. So, meaning meron ng data yung ating Smart Life and pwede na natin siya ma-access kahit saan pa tayo basta may Wi-Fi or internet. And then, pangalanan natin ito na Smart Light para medyo madali lang yung done. So, makikita natin dito sa ating interface na meron tayong na pwede natin i-control kung gaano ka-bright or gaano ka-dim yung ating Smart Light. And then, pwede natin i-control yung ating temperature. So, right now, nakita natin it's very warm. And then, kapag in-adjust natin, pwedeng ganito ka-cool. Next is, pwede natin, again, i-control yung kulay ng ating Smart Light. So, here we have the red. And then, pwede natin gawing magenta, blue, teal, green, yellow. And of course, pwede na natin palitan yung brightness niya. Kahit ganyan pa yung kulay niya. Next, meron tayong schedule dito. So, pwede natin mag-schedule kung for example, 5:16, papatayin natin yung ilaw. Try natin. So, dito, try natin i-off yung light ng 5:16 and then set natin. Yan. So, hintayin lang natin ito, Smart Light, mag-off. Sobrang pula na ng mata ko. Yan. So namatay siya na 5:16. Then tayong tinatawag na tap to run. So, itong tap to run, basically mga basic commands na pwede mo one click para mag-on and off, for example, yung ating smart product. So, para makapagdagdag tayo ng tap to run, all we have to do is punta tayo dito sa smart page and then sa upper right, mayroong plus button. Click nyo itong launch tap to run the device, itong smart light. So, pwede nyo, for example, i-on, i-off. So, gawa tayo ng pareho para matest natin. So, let's click this on. And then, pwede nyo rin, for example, iset yung kung anong kulay. So, pwede rin natin gawing palitan yung color temperature. So, in kelvins to. So, name. Itong name na to, kailangan palitan natin dahil ito yung gagamitin natin for voice commands. So, the smart light can be accessed through Google Home, Apple's Siri, and Amazon's Alexa. Pero wala akong Alexa, kaya Google Home and Apple Siri natin. iOS or Apple's Siri yung itetest natin for today. So, palitan natin ng turn on the smart light para madali. Yan. So, save lang natin. So, gawa pa tayong isa for turning off. So, pwede natin i-test muna dito sa ating homepage For example, ito, turn on the smart light. Yan. So, nag-turn on siya. And then, click natin yung turn off the smart light. Nag-off siya. Now, we can try to add the tap to run modes sa Siri. So, up sa lower right, meron tayong Siri dito. And then, click lang natin yung mga plus button. So, pwede natin, I guess, i-test. Hey Siri, turn on the smart light.
One moment. Okay. Done.
Hey Siri, turn off the smart light.
Okay. Done.
Done. Next, i-try naman natin i-add itong smart light sa Google Home. So, all we have to do is, so smart light from the home, and then sa upper right may pencil, and then itong Google Assistant. Yan. So, nag-login na ako dito sa, yan. So, na-add na siya. Ganun lang kadali. So, now we can try it. Yan. So, for this one, gagamitin ko yung Google Home Mini na nakikinig sa kwarto ko. So, nandito siya. So, baka hindi kasi ako marinig eh. So, try na natin yung pag-access ng smart light using the Google Home. Hey Google, turn on my smart light.
Okay, turning on the smart light.
Hey Google, turn off my smart light.
Alright, turning off the smart light.
Next, meron tayo tinatawag na mga automations. So, mga other conditions, kailan nyo pwede on or off yung smart light. So, isang example nitong automation is, for example, umalis kayo ng bahay nyo, pwedeng mag-turn off automatically yung smart products natin. So, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. So, comment down below kung ano yung mga naisip nyo reasons kung bakit kailangan nyo na smart light sa bahay nyo. Or kung meron na kayong smart light sa bahay nyo, you can also comment down your experiences using a smart light. And of course, you can visit SimpliFi PH para sa kanilang full catalog of products. And again, you can also use my promo code COCOMARTEC for a 10% discount for the products that you will buy in their website. So yun, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you keep safe, lalo na sa panahon na to. Maraming pandemic, maraming nasasaktan, maraming nalulungkot, maraming nade-depress. So always remember to help one another. This is Coco Martec. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Coco Martec po tulad. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.